Yeah. So now you understand that what is photosynthesis. We can elaborate it, or we can represent it in the equation that is what carbon dioxide plus water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. Carbon dioxide is what we can say CO2 and water is H2O. Okay, so that is what CO2, that is H2O, and it gives carbohydrates. This is H12O6 and this is O2. So yeah, so this is what O2. This symbols are not given in your book. Only that equation is given there. So I am only giving you some general knowledge about it only. So you have to learn only the names in the equation. You not have to learn about these symbols. Okay. So this is all about photosynthesis. Other example, green plants में और क्या है? Green plants के अलावा भी कुछ हैं जो photosynthesis perform करते हैं. That are what? That are algae. You see in the rainy season, in ponds or lakes, some greenish layer is covered on the pond. That is very slimy and smooth. And even in the sink, near the sink also, there are some greenish layer present. That is slimy, smooth. That is what? That is green algae. So because of the green color, they also contain chlorophyll pigment, and they also make the food with the help of photosynthesis. Okay. Now listen that except carbohydrate, plants can get proteins, fats, vitamins also. Okay. So how? With the help of soil. Plants do not take the nitrogen directly, but they can absorb it with the help of soil. Free nitrogen they cannot absorb it. Okay. And with the help of rhizobium bacteria, plants absorb the nutrients, nitrification takes place, and this nitrogen is in the plant make the proteins, fats, vitamins, etc. Okay. Now other modes of nutrition in plants. This is the autotrophic mode of nutrition in the green plants, that is photosynthesis. Now we learn about other modes of nutrition, that are what? Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means they are not make their own food. They depend on the other for their food. Some plants are also in this category. That the first mode is parasitic. Parasitic means what? Parasites are what? Those animals or those living organisms which can live on the other organism for their food. That are called as parasite, and the organism on that they are live, that is host. That is called as host. So host के ऊपर एक organism रहता है and they absorb the food from that host. That type of nutrition is parasitic nutrition. Its example is Cuscuta. Cuscuta means अमर बेल. So अमर बेल एक ऐसी है जिसमें जो green color की नहीं होती, and that mode of nutrition is parasitic mode of nutrition. Another is insectivorous plants in the forest. Not generally we can found that type of plants. They are very rare, and that are insectivorous plants means what? They depends on the insect for their food. They trap the insect and absorb the nutrition from them. The example is what? Pitcher plant, that is also called as Nepenthes, and Drosera, that is also called as Sundew. So in them what happen? जो plant होता है, they when the insects are sit on that plant's flower or on the plant, then they trap that plant, that insect, and absorb the insect and get the nutrition from that insect. So this is insectivorous mode of nutrition. Another, the last is what? That is saprotrophs. Saprotrophs that depend dead and decaying material for their food, and generally the example is fungi. Only fungi are the like mushroom. You can see mushroom in the rainy season. They absorb the nutrition from the dead and decaying substances, and this is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So students, you now learn about it, the nutrition in plant, that autotrophic, which is the photosynthesis, and this is heterotrophic nutrition, in which first is parasitic nutrition, another is insectivorous nutrition, and the third is saprotrophic nutrition.